In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options for your Android device. So, first of all, open the settings. To do this, tap and drag from the bottom to the top on the home screen to bring up a list of apps. Find the settings icon and tap on it. In the settings screen that opens, scroll through the list of sections until you find the About section. Tap on it. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, find build number. Tap on it until the message "You are now a developer" appears. Then go back to the settings screen and open the System section. As you can see, the developer options have been turned on. If you need to turn off the developer options, then go into that section and tap on the toggle. Thank you for watching.